Good afternoon, everyone. So our video for today is we're going to explain what is the sample code about this. Here are the code that I'm going to explain line by line. Ang first nga line is print, meaning empty line para formatting. Like ang magsugod kag code mo usual gina starting line. Sa ikaduha is kanang ang kaduha is kanang text input enter text lower, meaning i-convert nimo into lowercase ang nga variable kanang imong type sa user, or nagkuha og input gikan user o gi-convert ang text into lowercase. Una ikaduha. Then sa ikatulo is print process text nga gisulod sa user or basta gisulod sa user. Kana ikatulo. Ikaapat nga line which the print with f string text length and the length text, which means the print of the length of the text and its type, and the last with the two lines at the end. The fifth line is count equals to length text. This initials count to 0, so equivalent kaya po niya 0. Mag-start lang niya siya. Mag-start ni perm if sa 0. The sixth line is the number 22. While count and teacher na around length text 2. This starts loops with the continue while count is less than length of the text, meaning magsugod ni siya og loop while kapadayon og ihap, meaning kapadayon siya loop if less than ang iyang like number. The second, the 23 line is count plus or equal to 1. It increments count by 1 in each iteration. So magsugod tag 1. Next is the print f string result text count. This prints the character of the current index. Okay, na add siya og 1 pag mubalik. Next line is the f text count 1 uppercase. Ang A man dali is low, lagi gamay, so i-upper na siya by this This is checks if the current character is uppercase A. Print f uppercase is found. Congratulations, mag-break na siya. Kay A magi uppercase man sa A na nakalagay na indicate na upper A is, else kung man if dili found niya, pag di siya makita, keep searching siya hantod sa makita ang mga uppercase nga A. This exits the loop when A is found. So if ever nga makita ang A like that, congratulations, automatic mo break na siya. And if dili ang galing else if dili it keeps searching. Ang purpose man sa else is alternative block if the character is not A. Mga alternative na options. That is continues, restarts the loop for the next character. Yeah. If ever nga di ma-found ang A, balik ang iyang loop into Lahi na po. Search. Here's the other code. First is print as usual. Next is data type, which is nakakuan ang Python program combining the upper and lower case Python programming, PyTHON. Next is print with f-string data type. Third is prints the output string stored in data. Next is the initials variable I to 0, which will be used in the index. Next is the while statement I less than length range length data hashtag I less than 18 if true. This initial variable I to this starts a loop that continues while I is less than the length of the data, which is the number 18. Tadi kita ngo I less than data. This print character this character is at index I of data. The I present the index of data. I plus or equal to 1 increment nag-increment tag 1 by each iteration of the loop. Next is this line checks if the lowercase version of the character at index I 1 is equal to the character of index length data negative 27. Dali na tong 27 no so diba ang data is 18 na which is kining Python programming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 na 18. So i-minus nato siya sa 27 18 minus 27 diba sa 7, so likewise negative 9 na ang diri ang part is I which is 1 minus 1 is 0. So unsa man ang 0 P and if kuan to siya into lower case, so mahimong P is equal to ang negative 9 kita naman ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 0. So di siya the same. Ma-print raman siya if they are the same na ma-break lang siya if they are the same. So di man siya same. So increment na po tag 2 kintahin ni stone ni maning 2. So if data I 2 na to na 2 na ni 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 yeah 1 ang 1 is y. Balik tayo sa data may mo na ning 2 minus 1 is 1 which is ang 1 is y lower ang y ito mura gyapon equal to 0 man eh di gyapon siya they're not the same pa rin. So magkano tag 3 so 3 if data I 3 minus 1 equals 2 so manang 2 t so the word t is equal to same lang dito 0 Japon na siya, so they're not the same pa rin. So back na po increment of 4 ang 4 is 4 minus 1 3 3 1 0 1 2 3 so ang 3 is h lower h is equal to 0 gyapon, dahil natin pa rin. So, pagsagta, loop nga pa na siya into 5 na pod. 5 minus 1, so dili 5 minus 1 is 4. Diba 4? Ito na 4. 4 of 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 0. Ay, no. O. Say 0 eh. O. O. Which is equal na to siya into lower. So, O is equal to O. Diba? O sub. Kaya lower naman siya. Kay lower man. So, kibari, ma-break na siya. Kay they are the same naman. Diba? So, ma-break na siya. Break the rule.